With Interra Home's virtual floor plan tool, I was able to view potential home options online in a 3D space. At www.interrahomes.com, I found the floor plans page under the Plan and Build tab. After I selected a base floor plan I was interested in, I clicked on the Virtual Floor Plan Tour button. Clicking on the dots and arrows made it super simple to advance through the 3D layout. It was easy to transport between the first and second floor with the floor navigation tool in the upper left-hand corner. I could also select specific rooms using the Panorama List button. If I wanted to return to the starting point of my panorama, the next button instantly reverted back to the beginning. The Gallery button plays through various images of the home. Now, I felt even more secure in the floor plan I wanted.